Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make a Coleus Topiary. So normally I would never buy a Coleus that looks like this. It's really leggy. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to make a topiary out of it. I saw some pictures on Pinterest and I thought, oh my God, it's gorgeous. So what I found was I tried to look for a Coleus that had a strong single stem. These two are going to be cut off. And I'm going to be cutting off some of the top up here as well because I want it to bush out right in the center. So I found the ugliest one, which happened to be the best one for this project. Single long stem, and let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is replant it into another little container. Now I'm going to take off some of the bottom stems and I'm going to try and replant these because I can make other plants out of it. You know how I am? Free plants are the best. So if you take a look at this, these I don't need over here. I want this section right here. Get that one off. And so I want it to bush up right here. I'm going to take off this top part. I'm just trying to see which top part I want to take off. Got these two big leaves here, which I probably don't need. I could take off these two big leaves because that's a lot of energy. I want to keep this now, and I want it to get bushy. This one's kind of nasty. There you go. I want it to get bushy, so now I'm going to pinch back. Let me see if I can show you. Right up here where this one meets the two leaves, I'm going to pinch this one back and it's going to grow more shoots from here. So it's going to get bushier, and that's the way to get your plants bushy. So I'm just going to go around and find where I can pinch back between two leaves. And I'll just do that all the way around. Now you might say, oh my God, you've left nothing on the plant. Well, I've left enough where it's still going to get bushy. It's still going to grow. So here's the last one, I think, between the two leaves. So now everywhere I pinched back, that's going to grow two more leaves, and it's going to keep getting fuller and fuller. So that is the start of my topiary. So once you're done planting it, one good thing to do is this stem is pretty strong, so I really don't have to worry about the wind tipping it over. But you're not always going to find a Coleus with a strong stem like this. So if you don't find one, you can always stake it up with one of these little metal rods you could find anywhere, a stick, a twig somewhere. But they sell these at Home Depot, any big box store. This one's for orchids, but there's other ones that you could just stick in and hook around. I'm just going to show you. You could just stick it in close to the stem, and I always have on hand this little Velcro. It's for plants, so you could Velcro the plant around the stem, and it'll keep it nice and together without hurting the stem. It's not going to dig into the stem or anything. It's loose, and it's just going to keep it together just from blowing over. Just in case you need that. And I'm going to place this in an area not in full sun, because Coleus really doesn't like full sun, just enough for it to get a good amount of light and keep it moist. There you go.